Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI. Today we are going to learn how to send an SMS in the FastAPI with Twilio. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the simplest code that I'm going to paste it into our application. So let's comment this the previous code and let's add the new code for the SMS sent. And here we go with the Twilio account SID or token and the phone number. So how you are going to get it? So let's log in with the Twilio. If the account I get it, so Twilio console. So if I go to the dashboard, so it's asking for me the details. So let's continue. Hope so it will log in. Okay, the 6-digit number. Let me log in with that. Phone ending with this. I'm not receiving that code yet. Okay, so let me disconnect the AnyDesk first because okay, let me check the message. Still not receiving the message. Resend. Yes, now it's received. So let's put it 90329. Remember 30 days continue. See here, I'm logged in. So here we go with this one. This is not that one. Let's go to the phone, and here we have a try it out. When I click on the messaging, try it out. So here we go, let's send an SMS. Okay, let's go to the console where it is. My Twilio account. So in the dashboard, here you can see account SID or token and the phone number. So make sure you have to add like this. Okay. After this, here you can see that here we have to install the Twilio, that is pip Twilio you have to install, and the fast API, right? So account SID token and the phone number, how to get, I told you. Next process would be send the SMS. Okay, so the client dot messages dot create to we have to send. So I'm going to take it from the body to your phone number, from where the number and the body, what the text message you want to send. And if the status is success, the message ID, that means the message is sent, else it will show me the error. Let's try to save this and go to the this one, and here we let's open this link, and here we will put the docs over here for the swagger, and here we have a send SMS. Let's try it out to the number, I think, plus 919855599193 triple 913 body. Hello Rajnikant. Okay, let's try to execute it. Okay, execute, and here we go with what the messages details. Okay, the number verified, I think the number should be another one, so let's add another one. Okay, so let's execute this, and success and the message ID. Okay, so and here you can see I received the message also. If you want to show me, just give me now. I have to share with you. So let me, if it is giving me the capture the screenshot. So let me share the screenshot so I will get to know about that one. So I'm doing the mail. So just I'm sending the mail. So let's open the mailinator, and I have sent with the test 90. So it's not yet sent. Let me check the mail. Sent. So it is not sent yet and it's in the queued message. Okay, no issues, you can just check it out. If any doubt you are getting in, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.